Hey chickies, thanks for hanging out for a few minutes today. It's Sunday, so that means it's Sunday faves and nays. These are the products I tested out for the week. We'll give you my honest feedback on them, so I hope you'll join me for today's video. If you're new here, I'm Christine, curate beauty, lifestyle, as well as raw vlogs. Greatly appreciate it if you please subscribe to my channel. Would absolutely love it if you be a part of the Chickie crew. Also, don't forget to hit that bell to be notified of new videos. So this week I tested out a few new products as well as rediscovered an oldie but a goodie. Don't you guys just love it when you kind of dig into your makeup stash and then you find something that you're like, oh my gosh, why did I stop using it? So the very first one I wanted to talk about today, they're actually from a brand called Sojos Vision. Now this portion of the video is in partnership with Sojos Vision. The best part about this company, they're really affordable. I can't even tell you, like, I've been looking into different blue light glasses. I know if you guys follow me on Instagram, you did see me wearing these. They are these really cute pair of blue light glasses, a light pink frame. The sides are metal and then it has jelly-like feel at the end. When I wear these, let me just kind of show you because I don't want there to be a glare. These are super comfortable. I have been wearing them whenever I edit my videos, whenever I'm on my phone at night. Just in general, I've been trying to really make sure I implement using these. And if you're not sure about the blue light, it's actually from like your electronic devices, like from your cell phones, from your computers, from your laptops, iPads, just all of that. Sometimes we don't really think about those types of things. If you guys have been with me for a while, you know I've been searching for a good pair of blue light glasses. Now, these I find are really comfortable because they even have the nose pads. They don't slide down. Wherever I place them, that's exactly where they stay. And I just love the style of the glasses. Let me show you the other pair that I also have. I haven't really worn these yet just because I've been showing a lot of love to the light pink ones, but these are in a gold frame. Again, they have the nose pads. This is available also in a couple different colors. These are really lightweight. Almost feels like you don't even have on a pair of blue light glasses. And I think they're very flattering on the face. They are a bit smaller than this pair, but still I think they are really cute and chic. Now you guys know I'm a huge fan of cat eye sunglasses, especially like the oversized ones. They're so pretty. And I mean, look at this. A light pink brown tortoise shell frame. I mean, how pretty are these sunglasses? I just love how it has that touch of pink. Do not have the nose padding, which still isn't a problem to me. I think they look so great on. I've been really enjoying these. But the other pair, again, it comes in this really pretty sunglasses case. It is magnetic, by the way. I love the design of these because they have a little bit of unique twist to it. So this is what the sunglasses looks like. Again, it kind of has like that tortoise frame, but these are black brown with kind of like, I think they call it like a gray fade lens. And these are really oversized. They are a little bit larger than the other ones. There is like a little bit of a unique design. If you guys can see, there's like a little indentation which reminds me of a butterfly. It's different. I haven't seen anything quite like that. On the side it even has the insignia of Sojos Vision, the S. And I just love the way how these look. These are definitely going to be my spring and summer sunglasses, so I'm pretty sure you guys are going to see me rocking these all the time. We'll link them down below in the description box. Make sure you check them out. I think you guys will really love their selection. They do feel and look really high-end. Let's move on now to some beauty faves of the week. More of a rediscovery item. It's from the brand Hourglass, and this is the ambient lighting blush palette. I've had this for years and I honestly forgot all about it. It was at the very back of my drawer. Like, you know what, we need to play around with this blush palette. So this is what the palette looks like. In here, I believe this is Mood Exposure, Incandescent Electra, and then Luminous Flush. Today I'm actually wearing the middle shade, which is Incandescent Electra, which is more of like a light peachy corally color, which I think is great especially for spring and summertime. But it does leave your skin with like a bit of that luminous glow, which I absolutely love. It's not a shimmer. Also dipped into a bit of, I believe it's Mood Exposure, which looks a little bit more like purpley, but it's definitely more of like a mauvey. I don't think I've ever purchased any of their singles single blushes just because they're so pricey in my opinion. But when they do have these palettes, especially this one, I think this was a really good investment and I'm glad I rediscovered it. I also wanted to mention the lashes that I'm wearing today. These are actually from the brand e.l.f. and they are the Luxe Lash Kit Winged and Bold multi-dimensional lashes for full volume and length. Now, I think these were like $3, something like that, but they also do come with a pair of tweezers to help you kind of apply the lashes. I love a good pair of dramatic lashes. I feel like these are a little bit toned down than what I'm used to, but I love how comfortable they are and they still give me that length and that volume. I was very surprised with the band because sometimes with certain bands, they can feel very pokey or just very stiff, but with these, I was very surprised. Plus, these are very lightweight. They're great for every day, very affordable, and I've been really enjoying them this week. Let's move in now to my nail of the week, and unfortunately it's going to the brand Wet n Wild Mega Last Stained Glass Lip Gloss, and the shade I have here, I mean the writing on this is super tiny. It's called Reflective Kisses. So essentially this is supposed to be like a lip gloss that stains your lips. Now I know that's a really big trend right now where you have that kind of look on your lips where it looks like you ate like a popsicle, like it has a flat applicator. It looked really pretty. I was just not a fan of this shade. It looked so awful on my skin tone. I don't know what it was, and when it stained, it just looked super bright but not flattering. I just didn't really like the formula of this. I didn't like how sticky it felt on the lips. I most especially just didn't like the way how it actually even stained the lips because it just didn't work with my complexion. So unfortunately this was just a nay for me. If you're curious if there was a scent, a very slight plastic smell, very slight, which is hardly noticeable. You really have to like really take a good whiff of it to smell it. It's not strong at all. So let me know, have you tried out any of these products? What were your faves or nays of the week? I would love to know. Hope you enjoyed hanging out today, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please make sure you give this video a like, subscribe if you have not already. Would love for you to be a part of the Chicky crew. Thank you Chickies so much for watching. Have an amazing day, and I will see you in my next video.